These are really comfortable and chic. So I'm living in Oman, and Oman is an Arabic country. It is more expensive in most of the Arabic countries. These are cheaper in the US and Europe. Like I bought this pair for $176, and in the US you can buy these for $130. So it's literally more expensive than the real price, but I think it is worth it. For the color, it's called faded khaki, and this one tobacco brown. I have this pair almost more than 8 months, and I really like them, wear them every single day. And I choose oiled leather because it will not be damaged easily. It's called Arizona model, and this one mayari model. Guys, if you want to buy Birkenstock, be sure to get one of these two colors because it matches everything very easily. So I highly recommend you. By the way, my size is 38 and I got the regular one, but I think this is the narrow one because it's a little tighter than this one. I'm really obsessed. I'm so happy to have them.